It's been really important to me all along to share my story of my treatment, my diagnosis, my treatment, and my recovery to whoever will listen, to be perfectly honest. My first desire was to tell fellow patients, and I was interviewed by a radiation oncologist. My answers to her questions were recorded, and those videos have been shared by doctors and other cancer team members to thousands of people who've been diagnosed with a head and neck cancer. And I'm just so grateful that clinicians have seen the value of sharing a patient's story. I think there's no substitute for a patient who's about to have radiotherapy to hear the story of a fellow patient, not only just describe what the treatment's like and the recovery's like, but just to see a patient who's survived cancer. Because I think so many of us, when we get that cancer diagnosis, we're just full of anxiety and fear. And there's nothing as reassuring as seeing a patient who's gone through it and come out the other side. But I also think it's good for cancer team members to see these videos because it exposes them to the emotional and psychological impact of a cancer diagnosis and the treatment. And if they can hear the patient's story, empathize, understand emotionally, feel some of those feelings, I think they're much more likely to do research and make an effort to help us psychologically, which I think is as important as survival.